Hello there guys, this is Gus from Santa Teresa Motorsports. Today I'm going to be talking about this 2018 BMW R nineT. This is a 1200cc machine, two-cylinder, 110 horsepower shaft-driven machine. So very, very reliable. It does have a really big tank on there, 5.5 gallons, so you can do all kinds of riding, as well as a very comfortable seat. It does have electronic fuel injection as well. Also has disc brakes. It is ABS. It has dual discs in the front and a single disc brake in the back, so you have plenty of stopping power. It only has right around 7,200 miles on this guy, and it has like I said, a big tank. You can be doing all kinds of riding. They did also add this big windscreen right here, like I said, so you can be riding this guy on the highway. Don't gotta get worried about getting slapped in the face by bugs. Also added some BMW bags right there that do open up, and they do have plenty of storage space as well. This bike also does have grip heaters, and they did also add a little protection right there, so protect your motor, make sure nothing happens to it. Come on and check it down at Santa Teresa Motorsports. Thank you.